A recent judge ruling will significantly reduce the amount that lawyers will eat out of the historic Robinson-Huron Treaty Settlement. Garden River and Atikameksheng First Nations were the only two initially opposed to the $500 million payout that now sits at $40 million. CTV's Corey Nordstrom starts us off tonight.
When the 21 First Nations of the Robinson-Huron Treaty were awarded $10 billion in a landmark annuities case, a 5% contingency fee meant that its team of lawyers would receive $500 million. Only representatives for Atikameksheng and Garden River First Nations stood up. Now that fee will be just $40 million.
If the settlement was far less, let's say $300 million, then 5% might be fair for the legal fees. But a $10 billion award, this should have been reviewed, it should have been assessed, as opposed to, it's about fairness, and that was not a fair approach.
Despite challenging the fees for their legal team, they have nothing but positives to say about the lawyers that secured the $10 billion settlement.
Knowing that there were 15 to 17 of the nations within the Robinson-Huron Treaty territory that would get less than what that law firm was getting. And this whole process was all about and for the benefit.
Praise has started coming in for the two nations after triggering the process that would leave $487 million more for the area's 40,000 beneficiaries. Right now, relief is mostly what these leaders are feeling.
It's been a long 2.5 years. Like I said, we've been talking about, the potential of a $500 million legal fee for a long time in different settings, and that you carry a lot of weight because that's never been done before.
A lawyer representing the legal team for the Robinson-Huron Treaty Litigation Fund called the slashing of the lawyer fees disappointing in a statement to CTV News, also saying Ontario Superior Court Justice Fred Meyer's decision flew in the face of the litigation fund's firm belief that the legal team should be compensated in keeping with the fee structure that had been carefully negotiated. An appeal of Judge Meyer's decision is being contemplated. It would address his central findings as well as several negative inferences made about counsel. The legal team has already been paid $255 million. Justice Myers has ordered that all but $23 million be returned to the trust. First Nations leaders believe that the return and any possible appeal should be figured out in the next 4 to 6 weeks. Corey Nordstrom, CTV News, Garden River.